Hey, it's Trevor Carr here. Hope you're very, very well. First of all, huge thank you to you for checking out this page. Now, Max has recently started working on Fiverr and has managed to pull in over $20,000, in fact, over $23,000 in just a couple of months. He's got some incredible figures and even manages to earn $500 an hour. So if you think that Fiverr is just like charging people at Fiverr, then think again. Fiverr is massive and the pandemic has made it even bigger. It's grown, their shares have grown by over 630% and the users of Fiverr has grown by over 1 million in 2020. So it's a massive platform and it's a great opportunity for complete newbies to start making money online. Let me show you what Max has been up to.
Hey guys, Max here, and I just want to show you that what we're teaching you in Fiverrocket is 100% legit and that it works super well. So as you can see here, in the last couple of months I have been able to generate a net income of $20,075 and my expected earnings at the moment are $2,756. So these two numbers together almost equal $23,000. And no, Fiverr is not a marketplace where you can charge $5, $10 or $20 for your orders. I have actually made $500 an hour by just creating an ebook cover for a company, or I've charged $1,000 for an order and I didn't even do the work myself, but I have outsourced the entire work to another freelancer on Fiverr and paid him $100 and I pocketed the $900 difference. And as you can see here, on the 28th of April, I will get $200. On the 24th, 160. I've already withdrawn 160 here, 160 there, 296, 360, 200, 152, 344, 208, 560. I could click on that load more button and the numbers would just continue like this. So Fiverr is 100% legit and you can make some really good amounts of money on Fiverr, and yeah, just follow the training and you can get similar results.
Okay, thanks Max, that's brilliant. So as you can see, this is completely BS free. This is a genuine system that Max kind of stumbled across by accident, and he can make up to $500 an hour, but he can also outsource $1,000 gigs that he just pays $100 for. It's an incredible return on investment, and all of this is documented in a comprehensive video course that we're calling Fiverrocket. Everything in there is step by step. So if you've never done anything like this before, then you don't have to worry. Max literally takes you by the hand and shows you every single step of the process so you can replicate what he's done. Now, we've seen a lot of stuff lately being launched, a lot of claims of fast cash and push button riches. And to be honest, most of that is complete BS, as we know. But I can tell you this, Fiverrocket is the real deal. Max is actually doing this stuff, and you've seen his account, so you can see, you can't argue with that. So everything is included in the course, and we're launching this at such a ridiculously low price that you'd be crazy not to give it a go. Now, we've got full confidence in this course. We know you're going to love it, and we've decided to give you a full 100% money back guarantee, 30-day money back guarantee. So if you're sitting on the fence, then just jump on, click the buy button below and come and see what we've got inside. The sooner you get started, the sooner you can start making some money, and we know you're not going to be disappointed. Now, it's a really simple system that Max uses, and it's managed to turn his life around, and incredibly he's doing this from a beach location. He works on the beach with his laptop and often using mobile hotspots, so don't think that you need any fancy equipment or anything like that. It's literally something that you can do anywhere that you choose to. Now, at the end of the day, you're probably here because you want to make some money, and I know how that feels. All right, I've been there. I've come from a very, very stressful time in my life. In the last few years, I've managed to turn that around thanks to making money online. So I know how that feels, and I know how it feels to be let down when you buy other courses that just don't deliver. Well, I can tell you this is going to deliver. It's a very, very simple system, and it's perfect for complete newbies. If you've never done anything like this before, then it's fine for you. Or if you've actually got some experience, maybe Fiverr or maybe not, maybe online, or you've made some money, then you're going to have your eyes opened by the contents of this course as well, because you really can make some serious money and you don't even have to do the work yourself. Okay, so go ahead, click on the buy button now, and I'll see you on the inside. Take care.